Good evening. Today is April 9, 2024, Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 9, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, April 9, 2024. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of April 9, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.